We're now using John's phone as my phone died, the battery died. And we're getting this to right. We got stuck. At the last minute we got stuck. It is now 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. So we've been here for almost 2 hours. And we're trying to lift the back tyre up, put wood underneath, and then give it another attempt. I think this may work. As you can see, we were 2 metres to safety. 2 metres to success. Only 2 metres. So we had to jack it up, secure it, jack it up again, secure it, and jack it up again. And then it's fast. Now we're trying to lift the fly up out of the water, put some wood underneath. Wood. I'll get back to you soon.